The Great Divide and the Path to Net Zero. That's the title of the Infrastructure Transition Monitor report that was recently published by Siemens Smart Infrastructure. Now, what they're doing is they're taking a look at how infrastructure is transitioning. Energy infrastructure, buildings, think cities, mobility, and industries. Now, it's a 45-page report. They went off and surveyed 1,400 people across multiple industries, multiple levels, multiple geographies, multiple continents, to get a sense of how they see all of this going. Now, it's well worth a read because this is not a report that's, I'm great, you're great, we're all great. There is a lot of realism in here. Now, it's, as I say, 45 pages. There's a lot of detail in here, and you can slice and dice the data in all sorts of ways. And there's a complete website that goes with it, and. But three short takeaways from my side. First one is lack of coordination across sectors. Second one is supply chain. And the third one is rebuild or retrofit. The first one. It's on page 26. There's a big discussion about the fact that, look, a lot of people are off doing lots of great things and whatever, but there's still a lack of coordination. Think rolling out electric vehicle charging points, coordinating between buildings, cities, and grids. A couple of examples of just like, it's just not happening, right? So we need to get better. Second one, supply chain. A lot of people called out that even if they wanted to build out better grid infrastructure, retrofit their building, put in more electric vehicle charging points, there's a supply chain issue, right? We're just not making enough of stuff across the globe. And then the price goes up, and then the equations for the cost benefit analysis change. So let's face it, there is a supply challenge, right? And the third one, retrofit or rebuild. It's on page 36, and there's a great discussion about the fact that, fine, if you want to have the most efficient building today, build it from scratch using all the latest and greatest tech. But that's simply not going to happen with most of the building stock we have on the planet today. So you have to go retrofit. The technology is there. It's not that easy, but you can do it. In fact, you have to do it because you can't just go, should we just knock it down and we'll start again? It's not going to happen. Anyway, have a read. I found it a breath of fresh air. As I say, it's not all happy, happy, joy, joy. It calls out a lot of the things that are going on out there and how people see it going on out there. And as I say, check out the website, download the report, make up your own mind. But it's worth a read.